Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Earthy Instincts. Today we are going to talk about the environment and personal well-being.
And the first thing that comes into our minds that leads us to personal well-being is yoga.
Yoga means union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness, thus leading to a perfect harmony between mind and body and man and nature. Yoga is a means of self-realization or self-awareness that this body and soul is an inseparable element of this nature or environment. It is interesting to note that yoga provides a framework to manage inner needs and desires, and when applied to societies, it can be a toolkit in sustainable living and global change. Practically applying the principles of yoga can lead to a large-scale change in our relationship with our planet. Yoga includes pranayama, asanas, and dhyan. Pranayama involves control of breath, asanas are physical poses, and dhyana means meditation. Pranayama is an integral part of yoga which brings one to a conscious awareness of breath, the very life force that both energizes and relaxes our body. Pranayama promotes mindfulness. Mindfulness means you are living in the present, not in past or future. So basically you are focusing on your breath, which is present. So today we are going to start with pranayama, which is a perfect start of your busy day. If you don't have any time at all, please devote at least 10 to 15 minutes in pranayama. It not only promotes the flow of oxygen to every part of your body, but it also calms down your nervous system and prepares your body for the rest of the day. It lets you think better, decide better, and keeps you alert. Once you will start doing pranayama, you will never leave it, and you will want more and more of it every day. So it is actually very addictive. So friend, just find a green corner for yourself to do pranayama with me. So we all will sit together and connect our inner environment with the outer one. So let's get started.
Sit on a firm surface. Sit cross-legged and put one foot on the other knee. Keep your spine straight and drop your shoulders back. Join index finger with the thumb of both the hands and close your eyes. Relax all the muscles of your body. Now take a deep breath. Pull in your lower abdomen with a jerk, so much so that you exhale naturally with force. Do not strain your abdomen muscles too much, and inhalation happens passively in this. This is called Kapalbhati, and this goes in the pace of 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 is for exhale and 2 is for inhale. Again, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Keep doing like this for 2-3 minutes while keeping your focus constant on your breath. Now take a deep breath and exhale, hold. Again, inhale and exhale. Now for the next pranayama, take a deep breath. Exhale with force. Pull up your upper body, straighten your hands, touch your chin with the base of your neck, and do abdominal thrusts as we did before. This will also go in the rhythm of 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Again, take a deep breath and come back to Dhyan Mudra. Take 1 or 2 normal breaths And again we are going to repeat this cycle. So again we are going to inhale and exhale with a jerk. Pull your upper body, straighten your hands, touch the chin with your base of the neck, and start with your abdominal thrusts again. Now take a deep breath and relax. Now we are going to start with the next pranayama, that is called Aloma Viloma. Now lift your right hand and touch your palm with index and middle fingers. Close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale through your left nostril. Now close your left nostril also with your ring and little fingers and hold your breath. Remove your thumb from the right nostril and exhale slowly. Now inhale from the right nostril. Hold your breath by closing both the nostrils. Exhale from left. Then inhale. Hold. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the right nostril. Close both the nostrils. Exhale from the left nostril. Slowly. Inhale. Close. Exhale from the right. Inhale. Hold. Exhale from the left. Inhale. Hold. Exhale from the right. Inhale. Hold. Exhale from the left and relax. Now rub both the hands together for a few seconds until you feel the heat in your hands, and keep the palms on your eyes, firmly pressing it. Then you repeat the procedure. Again, rub your hands, keep them on your eyes, and open your eyes slowly. If you find it difficult to sit cross-legged, then you can also sit on a stool or a chair like this and do your pranayama.
Thanks for doing it with me, and hope you are feeling relaxed and fresh. If you are a new viewer of my channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to keep you updated of my latest videos. And to watch all my previous videos, tap my profile pic and then click on the video on the tab above. As of now, I'm signing off to see you in my next video, which would be a continuation of this topic, that is yoga. So until then, take care and be connected with nature. Bye.